Major, career, and plan ideas. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm Chelsea Nerdin. Something that I want to do eventually is become a social worker. Social workers need a bachelor's degree in the field. Many roles, including clinical positions, require a master's degree, and of course, a lot of states require social work licenses in order to practice there. So my 4-year plan, I'm minoring in sociology, which is a big part of my 4-year plan. I want to have options open when I graduate so that I'm not stuck with my doing something with my major in case if something happens where I can't do that. And I think that sociology is related enough, but also different enough that I'll be able to find careers in both paths if I need to. I chose to minor in psychology because I think learning about people is interesting, and I find that knowing yourself and knowing other people is an important part of growing, and that is something that we do in psychology is we study the way people think and how they act, and I just think that there's a lot of good that can be done in the world through that. Chapter 13 had a table that talked about characteristics that indicate a person's suitability to do well in a career. And under social worker, it states that they like to be around people, they like to cooperate with other people, they like to help others, friends, they're understanding, cooperative, sociable, and warm. I relate to most of these things, especially helping others throughout my life. I've kind of just been the person that people come to with problems, and whether we solve it together or we just complain about it together, I enjoy helping others figure out how to better their circumstances, and that is a big reason why I've chosen to become a social worker.